Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you back up your private key with Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to back up your private key, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet, and after that unlock the application, and you just simply have to go over this gear option into the top left corner. Tap into there and then select wallets. Then again tap to this three dot besides the profile or the wallet which is active. And after that you will get two options in order to back up. Just simply select any of the suitable option for you. For now I'm selecting this manual option. And now after selecting manual, simply check all three boxes and tap to continue. Now after tapping into continue, you will get these 12 words as your private secret key or trust key. Then just simply tap to continue and you have to make sure which is placed into word number 1, word number 4, word number 7 and word number 10. So it goes like fever, wink and spell, and after that drive, and then tap to continue. And after doing this much, your backup will successfully be enabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.